how do we make our logo ours? A lot of times we go and we will, reach out to something like on Fiverr or another type of app that's out there, or tool or resource that's out there that really just congregates all of the graphic designers and they can do this work for you. And sometimes it's great because they'll just come out really quickly and they'll kind of give you an idea and you'll get the idea. But really think about it for a second. When you are going to one of these websites, you are now signing up for their website. And whether you are reading the terms and conditions or not, but you need to, because those terms and conditions will tell you if you actually own that logo or whatever product that they are creating for you. And not only that, what is the terms and conditions between that individual and the person that is hosting them? So while it may not be of your purview or it may not be something that you've actually looked into, but it's definitely something you need to know about, because ultimately when you're creating something like a logo or something that is absolutely identifying your brand, whether it is content or whether it is a type of, just the way a document is set up in your business and it's very particular to your business, that needs to be yours. It cannot be owned by somebody else, and you also don't want a license for it. You want to own it so you can freely use it whenever and however you want. So whenever you are going to other companies that are providing quick access to logos or providers, you want to make sure you're reading the terms and conditions on that. And even if you go to Canva or some other type of online tool like that, read the terms and conditions, because there's only so much that license will give you, but it's a license at the end of the day. It's not ownership. And you want to own your logo. You want to own it at the end of the day. So read those terms and conditions when you're going to websites and service providers that are giving you access to mass graphic designers or access to graphic designing, and just make sure that you can actually own the product or the logo or whatever that you're creating, that you actually own it.